Good morning, everyone. Where's my girl? It's another day, another gala. This is at the second day at Ocean Grove. So gagala kami today at mag-explore anywhere. Ready? You ready? Everyone is ready? Then let's go. It's a hot day today. It's a hot day. Hot day. Oh, oh, oh. Mom is already in the car. And this is our look today. Everyone is in the car. We're going to Port Arlington. See? Port Arlington. Port Arlington, and we'll see what's in there. So let's see, we'll see you there. Bit hot today, hot. Everyone stay in the car. I was this Port Arlington. At wala kaming dalang shade, wala kaming dalang what's this for us to rest. Is next time, guys, or you will have idea. So wala kaming idea. We're going to
Cabana, you can stay here.
Yeah.
Look at how much of the water is.
Wala doon dito. Wala doon. Di ba?
Kanina sila pina.
What's wrong?
Nandyan man yun na. So kung may cabana kami, then we can stay here. Wala kaming dala. So we're going to Esplanade. So, we'll see kung anong meron to. Masyadong mainit ngayon, guys. Kaya, kailangan namin ng shade, lalo na yung may little girl pa, may little one. Lalo na mayroon pa akong little one. So, kailangan ko ng shade. There are lots of fish here. Fishing. See? So another boat. Wow. That's a big one. Big one.
You can go there, please go there.
There's no shade though. So karamihan dito ay may boat. So tingnan mo yung kanilang car. can go that side.
Oh my goodness. You'll not get a parking.
Oh, there is wraps and hot chips here. This guy is parking bad. Oh, but this is
Go look at the ferry. I think this is the ferry
Port
that
Arlington,
probably goes to
Aspen.
Sure.
As you can see naman guys, ay punuan na rin. So, galing kami sa Port Arlington, wala din kami gabana. So, there's no choices talaga. Naghanap kami ng space namin kung saan kami mag-stay. But then, this time ay pinuntahan lang ni Habi yung ferry kung saan talaga papunta yung ferry. Kasi lang, I think they're going to Toronto. But anyway, I'm not really sure. So, dito ay papunta na lang kami ng Port Arlington Esplanade dahil magtanghalian nga guys at gutom na ang aming hanakis at gutom na rin ako. So, maghahanap kami ng restaurant doon na makakainan namin. But it's affordable. Hindi naman kamahalan siguro dito. Doon kasi sa dating pinuntahan namin is medyo fish and chip, which is ayaw ng asawa ko. So we'll find another place. Kaya nga pupunta na kami doon sa Esplanade. Then we'll see kung anong mayroong mga choices doon. So ang ganda pala na paligid dito. Ang ganda talaga. But ang mahal dito ng mga houses guys. Imagine mo naman. Kaya tuloy, namimiss ko tuloy yung aking holiday house, which is really the same as like this. But it's not fully developed. Nasa in front of beach yung aking holiday house. Kaya soon, I'm so excited talagang umuwi na sa Pinas para ma-renovate ko din yung iba dahil sa descanso kasi ay hindi napapasukan siya ng tubig kasi nga sa talsik ng tubig from outside ay open siya. Wala siyang glass sa descanso. So I'll have to find na anong gagawin ko doon sa bahay. So nandito na nga kami. Pagkatapos namin kumain ay nagtambay muna kami dito. So, hindi na ako nag-picture doon sa restaurant kung saan kami kumain. So, nabisi ako sa baby ko kaya hindi ko na naisip mag-picture. So, nandito kami sa Esplanade at ang ganda ng view. Kaso lang, hindi ako makaikot nga guys kasi nga super init. Kaso, nandito lang kami sa ilalim ng tree. At pag nasa malilim ka naman, ay hindi na masyado mainit kasi nga mahangin din naman. So, tingnan mo si mother, relax na relax siya. Relax na relax after namin kumain.
Geelong. Wala tayo sa Geelong. Nandito tayo sa Ocean Grove.
Ha?
Ocean Grove.
Ocean.
Hala si mother. And dito muna kami kasi masyadong mainit pag kami gagala ngayon. At lalo na may maliit ako. Ayan, natulog si Cordapia. So, dito muna sa silong muna kami sa malaking puno. At yung akin namang boy ay hindi stay sa isang place. Kailangan niyang ikot-ikot-ikot. Ayan, and then pati si daddy ay nagbomba na dahil walang tubig sa amin. Charot. Walang tubig ang apartment na naupahan namin. Joke. Yun. And that's it. We'll see. I'll go around. I will take you another place, guys. And this is the place where the main town of. This is the main town of Port Arlington. So it's a nice place, and there's it's on a busy beach there. So if you wanna come here, you should come early, so you'll have a spot under the tree, or a nice spot where near to the beach with have a shade. But if you don't get that, if you have cabana, then you can set it up near to the beach. But because we don't have, and we didn't bring it, and we are not prepared of it, and this is what happened to us. We stand by under the tree. Under the tree. Under the tree. So nandito na naman kami. Galing kami sa sa Port Arlington. Kaso lang so crowded doon, guys. Doon lang kami nagtanghalian at explore something, a little bit of time. Then dito naman kami sa St. Leonard Beach. Is it beach? St. Leonard Town. Small town. Huh? Cafe. Yeah, the cafe actually. Here the coffee, something coffee there. Some burger, coffee, wrap. Lucy's Burger, pizza. Oh, that's nice. It's a nice place also. What's a park? Here. Oh, what is here? It's so crowded. Full pack. Spot. Maybe try. Oh, there's someone fishing. Nice spot here. We can have here. Go around. How about here, Daddy? No? So that guy is going. Have a look. Here, do the same. This side. So, ito na yung St. Leonard Beach.
Come on, let's go in the water.
Full pack also.
Papa. Ow, ow, my neck. That's my neck. Ow. Papa, why are you trying to choke for ya?
We stand by here. We are here, and baby girl is there. Mother, hello everyone. Testing. Hello. So they're going to the beach. Swim like a fish. Is it?
And Daddy's coming to swim with us.
Ready?
And Baba's coming
Get
to swim
set.
with us.
Go! But wear your hat, my love.
Baba's coming
Where's your
to
hat?
swim with us. Come on, Baba. Guess
Are we going to swim, my love?
Guess
Baba, are we going to the swim? Are we going to swim?
Baba, dress up. Here's your hat. Put on your whistle hat. You must put on your whistle hat.
Go fast.
Eh, kalok ka. Ah. Pwede.
Well, she got to get better hair than why she.
So, that's it for today. Pagod ang mga beauty